Hello guys and welcome to another slime video. We made a yellow slime in our previous one. I'll show you that one. It's so professional and ethical. Look at this. It relieves the stress. But let's see which one I want now. Is there a purple one? There's black, there's red, there's yellow, there's green, there's blue. There's blue. Let's pick blue in today's video. Soon we're going to be doing mixies, but we're not doing those yet, so because we have to get rid of all of these other ones. First, twist off the cap, and I won't forget this one this time. Twist off the cap, peel it off, peel the little sides off. Don't stab it with the red thing. It will work, but don't. And peel this side. This will take a while. Okay, now this is opened. Okay, don't worry, it's edible paint because I had to use my teeth. Okay. We're using our little bucket of Elmer's glue. Don't spill on me. Don't. So I was just giving it this look. How much should I go? Boom. That's a lot. I think that's as much as I did for the left. Now you close, now you close, now you close, now close. Stop dripping! I said I closed you. Okay, now we have glue. Now we're going to put our magical Elmer stuff. Let's dip it. That's enough. For now. Now let's add our mystical color. Bluey. That's a little too much. I want this to look like a blue raspberry such type. That one was pineapple and it smells like pineapple. Let's do this. Oh my god. I could do slime art by this, but I don't want to. I could just boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Saturating the slime. Oh, it already turned into slime. Hold up, guys. Let's use the big meaty spoon and mixy, mix. Oh, I love the color. It's like ocean. Even though that's not what I was looking for. More activator here. It's giving that dark texture. Right now, it's over glued. Just spoon. Mixy, mix. Now we need more of this stuff. All in that glue. All of that nature. And now, with the mix, take this with us. Activator, you come with us. This one's gonna be easy. Once I get the spinning activator. Literally like an artist doing this over here. Let's start getting our textures to the type. Suck up all that activator. Ugh. Take it all. Ugh. Eat. Okay. Okay, I can turn that into slime now. Don't worry, this is what it looks like before. It looks like a sour green banana. I don't even know. It's starting to get harder, which is the good thing, which that means... Oh, the slime's starting to come off my hands, and my hands hurt. Oh my gosh. This one took 5 minutes? How much longer did the other one take? Smack, 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 smack. Then don't want to keep it like this, so it would be turned like that. I want to make a clear slime after this. Well, after all the colors, even black. Yes, we're making a black slime. This one's impossible to make, but keep going, Wyatt. It's working. It's working. Oh my gosh, take a break, Wyatt. Okay. Because you have to keep going. Okay. This one will not stop fighting. It's too sticky. I'm going to need to take some activator. Here it is. Ooh, my elbows. Take a break. This is why I should get a mixer, but it costs like more than $1,000. Oh, yes. Yes. This is actually working now. What? You saw how it was like really sticky and stuff? I just added like a couple bit of activator and it works. Now I just needed it to make... See, that's the problem. It'll just instantly just curl on my hands. More activator. Swip. Now I'm feeling like it. I'm feeling it. And it's more stretchier now. I feel like I'm turning it into glue. The yellow one's more stretchier than this. No, not stretchier. This one's more stickier than the yellow one, but it stretches longer. I'll skip. Okay, I did more activator. My brother rated this out of a 7 out of 1. So, keep doing this. Now my hands are getting a little bit better. Whoa, I feel like energetic. Now it's clean hands. This is what we need. This is how much activator we really need. Now this will make new bubbles, new stuff. Now without my hands getting... You saw that. Does it do the... Okay, it does. Now let me go get a container for this bad boy. You sit there. Okay guys, I'm coming back with our blue slush slime. This is a good slime so far. We made our yellow one, which I really love the yellow one. But this one's more stretchier than the yellow one. I don't know why, but it is. Don't mind this other blue stuff. We're gonna have to mix that too. It's 9 minutes just making one slime. That's. Okay. He's going in his little baby container. You stay in there, Billy. Now we have to mix up our other stuff that we see. Like this stuff. This is actually slime. I just have to mix it up. Why is it so hard? It's like scraping off excess. That's full-on slime. Hold on. Okay, this is not full-on slime because we have to mix it. I'm doing it. Now more activator. Whoop. Hands feel so weird now. Now I need more. I need more stuff to against the activator across my hand. Okay. I'm spending 10 minutes making this line. We would have been done, but I want to be nice to the excess. This is a whole pound of excess right here. We can use this to put in our other blue slime. Ew, why are all my blue slimes always textury? Like, it's more stretchier than the yellow one, as you can tell. No, it got stuck. It got stuck in activator, so now I have to mix that out. Well, that's straight on karma, Wyatt. Now it's sticky. Now I need more slime. Digging for slime, digging for slime, digging for... Okay, I got some slime. Now to just mixy mix. Okay. Mixy, mixy, mix, mix, mix. You guys don't want to see me probably just mix this all the way. Okay. And it works. Easy. Time to put this with our blue slime. Loop, 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 loop. Now that was our blue slime. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.